In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and take down the tent. Start by removing the tent and then removing the secured strap. You should notice it unfold. Now, loosen the buckled strap in the middle of the tent. Locate secured Velcro and tied strings. Separate and untie both of these respectively. Set the tent on the floor so that it is resting on the ends of the arc poles, with the round top up. Notice the 3 small zippered openings on the arc. This is where you will insert the poles that are included with your tent. Assemble poles and starting at the top of the tent, insert all the way through the small zippered opening and close with zipper. Repeat this process for the other 2 support poles on both sides. Once the poles are in place, unzip the doorway and insert the mattress. Now I'll show you how to easily disassemble the bed tent. First, remove the mattress from the tent. Now unzip and remove each of the poles. Collapse each pole to fit in the bag. Tie the 3 straps, which are located at the ends of the 3 arc poles. Pull the sides of the bed together and connect Velcro pieces on either side of the tent. Now close the buckled strap and pull tightly to safely form a figure 8 with the tent. Now fold the figure 8 in half to create a circle. Slide the holding band over the tent to help keep its shape. Then you can slide your tent into the convenient carrying bag.